Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Mr. S and I'm a primary school teacher here to help you with some of the tricky things in school. Today we're going to look at finding the fraction of a whole number. If you've been frozen, looking at your homework, wondering what to do, then I've got the ultimate trick for you, using the DM method. So let's get started. Now the D is actually standing for divide and the M, you guessed it, for multiply. To help me remember this, I sometimes like to think of down and mountain. Now this might be strange, but if I've got a fraction, for example, 2/5, first I'm going to go down to the number on the bottom, the denominator, and then the second step of our little trick is going to be moving up the mountain to the numerator. So first we go down to the denominator, and then we're going to move up to the top of the mountain to the numerator. Let's break this up and do an example to show you exactly what I mean with this DM method. Alright, so going down to our first question here, we need to find 5/6 of 18. So I'm looking at this one here, 5/6 of 18. Now, I'm going to take the number I want to find because I want to break this number up to find out what one part of 18 is. So I'm going to take this down to the bottom and I'm going to divide. So I'm doing down with divide first. So what is 18 divided by 6? That's 3. The next step I would like to do is I'm going to do moving up the mountain and I'm going to be multiplying. So let's take that 3 up to the top of the mountain and multiply it by 5. 3 multiplied by 5 gives me 15, and that's going to be my final answer. So here we are with the DM method, worked straight away. 18 divided by the down, multiply at the top of the mountain. Let's give it another try over here with 4/6 of 48. So remember, step 1, I'm going to take my number 48, I'm going to divide it down here by the number on the bottom, my denominator. 48 divided by 6 gives me 8. And then I'm going to move up the mountain to multiply. 8 multiplied by 4, which gives me the final answer of 32. So here we are, 48 divided by 6 to give me what one part would be, and then we're multiplying by 4 because there are 4 parts. Okay, if you've understood that, then fantastic. If you'd still like a little bit more, then I'd like to show you it visually as well. Let's use a pizza, for example, because fractions are always best done with pizzas. Let's say I divide that pizza into 6 equal slices, as I've got down here. Now I'm using 4 of those because I've got 4/6. What I'm doing first by dividing is I've divided it up to work out what each of these pieces is worth. Okay, so I've got each piece here by dividing them up, and then by multiplying I'm saying that I need 1, 2, 3, 4 of those pieces. And that gives me 32. This slice, plus this slice, plus this slice, and lastly, this slice here. I've used 4 of those slices to give me 32 as my final answer. I hope that's been helpful for you. I've got some questions down here below, so please pause the video and give these a go. Let me know in the comments below your answers to these questions, and I will see you next time when we find the percentage of a number instead.